If you want to create a more organized space for handwriting, sketches, annotations, or free-form diagrams in Microsoft Word, then adding a drawing canvas is a really useful trick to know. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to insert a drawing canvas in Word in just a few clicks, so you can keep your drawings neat and contained inside one working area. This is perfect if you're building notes, drafting ideas, or simply want better control over your ink tools. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Word tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your document in Microsoft Word and look at the top ribbon. You'll want to click on the Draw tab. If you don't see the Draw tab right away, make sure your version of Word supports ink and drawing tools, because this feature is available in many modern versions of the app. Once you're in the Draw tab, look for the Insert area within the toolbar. In that section, select Drawing Canvas. As soon as you click it, Word will place a drawing canvas directly into your document. You can then use it as a dedicated space for drawing, writing, or arranging ink-based content without it floating loosely around the page. After the canvas appears, you can click inside it and start using your pen or pencil tools right away. This is especially helpful when you want your drawings to stay grouped together and easier to move or edit later. If needed, you can resize the canvas just like any other object in Word, giving you more room for larger sketches or a tighter area for small annotations. And that's it. You've successfully inserted a drawing canvas in Word. It only takes a moment once you know where to look, but it can make a big difference in how you work with drawings and handwritten notes inside your document. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next quick Word tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.